I receive patients who have long history of visiting multiple doctors. ENTs for ear pain, they go to neurologist for the headaches.
Now that's a revelation, Shikha, that TMJ can cause so many issues. It can represent ear pain, headaches, cervical pain, shoulder pain, even back pain. Such a small joint can cause such serious symptoms. How do such patients land up in your clinic?
Oh my God, Kushal, this is very interesting to tell you that I receive patients who have long history of visiting multiple doctors. They have since years, they are suffering from ear pain, headaches, jaw pain. They don't know where to go, whom to seek. They go to ENTs for ear pain, they go to neurologist for the headaches, orthopedics for the back pain, yes. But they have not received any right diagnosis or any relief. So Kushal, I have seen some patients even being referred to psychiatrist because nobody understood their pain and the doctors have referred them to the psychiatrist.
Wow.
Before visiting us. Then ultimately somehow they land to us, and then when we hear the story, when we hear the symptoms and examine and assess and give them the right diagnosis and the treatment planning, and when the patient follows that treatment plan, the kind of relief the patient gets, that's very divine.
It's very satisfying.
That's very satisfying. So we are actually able to help change the life of the patient in a very, very positive way.
Absolutely. Okay, wow, wonderful, Shikha. I'm just loving this podcast. So much information pouring in for our viewers. And to conclude, I would say that Shikha, you're doing an amazing job treating such patients, relieving them of so much pain. It's actually a blessing in disguise. So, any concluding or last words you'd like to say to our viewers?
So I would like to say that if any patient among the viewers is suffering from the symptoms we just discussed, and if you're not able to find the right TMJ doctor in your area, you should go and visit your dentist. The dentist, after understanding your symptoms, can give you a diagnosis if you're suffering from TMJ or not. And if you're suffering from TMJ, the dentist can actually refer you to a right TMJ doctor. Finding the TMJ doctor is difficult because there are very few doctors who super specialized in TMJ problems.